Previously on Sailing New Horizons, we explored Newport Beach. Discovered a sea cave in Dana Point. And went snorkeling in a kelp forest at Catalina Island. The sun's about to come up. We're just leaving Avalon. Beautiful morning, a little chilly. First glimpse of the sun, almost all the way above the horizon. Dolphins! Wow, they're so close. Whoa! Oh my god, they're right next to the boat. Look at that. Dolphins are regarded as one of Earth's most intelligent animals. They are known to teach, learn, cooperate, scheme, and grieve. They are highly social animals, often living in pods of up to a dozen individuals. Dolphins can establish strong social bonds and are known to stay with injured or ill individuals, even helping them to breathe by bringing them to the surface if needed. This altruism does not appear to be limited to their own species. The dolphin moko in New Zealand has been observed guiding a female pygmy sperm whale together with her calf out of shallow water where they had been stranded several times. Dolphins have also been seen protecting swimmers from sharks by swimming circles around the swimmers or charging the sharks to make them go away. Here, they are exhibiting playful behavior off our bow. Dolphins frequently leap above the water surface, this being done for various reasons. When traveling, jumping can save the dolphin energy as there is less friction while in the air. This type of travel is known as porpoising. Other reasons include orientation, social displays, fighting, nonverbal communication, entertainment, and attempting to dislodge parasites. Needless to say, these graceful swimmers were very welcome guests on our sail to San Diego. Quite frankly, we were actually guests in their home. Here we are entering San Diego Bay. Many of you know San Diego as a beautiful city in Southern California, famous for its perfect weather, beaches, and surf culture. But I'm assuming many of you don't know much else about San Diego. We didn't realize until coming here that it is actually home to the only major submarine and shipbuilding yards on the West Coast. San Diego hosts the largest naval fleet in the world. In 2008, it was home to 53 ships, over 120 tenant commands, and more than 35,000 sailors, soldiers, Department of Defense civilian employees, and contractors. Military bases in San Diego include U.S. Navy facilities, Marine Corps bases, and Coast Guard stations. The city is home to the majority of the U.S. Pacific Fleet's service combatants, all of the Navy's West Coast amphibious ships, and a variety of Coast Guard and military sealift command vessels. You've been viewing footage of the warships we passed cruising around the bay. Beautiful day, so we're just going out for a day sail, just a few hours. Dara's taking the fenders and dock lines in. So we couldn't help ourselves. It's just great wind today, and decided to come out for a quick day sail before the sun goes down. All right, ready? Hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.